Welcome back folks to yet another Excel session. Today we will explore the use of flash fill in Excel, which is one of the easiest yet complicated combination of user-based machine learning experience which Excel has to offer. We will explore the possibilities and the scenarios under which this can be put to use in day-to-day functions. Let's get started. In the above name list, we will try to split the name between first name and last name using flash fill functionality. In cell B2, let's enter the first name of Dominicans as Dominic and try to find out if flash fill can figure out the pattern of my input, which is basically the first word of the adjacent cell A2, and repeat the instances to the below cells in same column. To use flash fill, you can go to the home ribbon and go to fill option and select flash fill from the drop-down options. Alternative, you can also use the keyboard shortcut. As you see here, flash fill has correctly picked up the first word or first name from the name list. Now let's try repeating this with the last name using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+E. As you see here, the second name also has been picked up properly, which has technically saved us from a text-to-column function or a lengthy formula. Now let's try out a bit more complicated scenario in the next example. In this example, we have the date of check, the narration provided by the bank, which includes a check number after a dash and the value of check cleared. Now let's try to extract the check number from the narration into the check number column. Let's enter the first check number 202884 into the cell and perform a flash fill function using keyboard shortcut Ctrl+E. As you see here, the check number has properly picked up the numbers, irrespective of the column character width or instance where the check number has appeared. All thanks to machine learning and Excel, which has made our life so easy. Thank you for watching the video and hit the like and subscribe button, which will keep us encouraged to continue with such videos.